What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I want to review and do a review on this beautiful vanity table that I purchased from Wayfair.com. It is called the Corrado Vanity With Mirror, priced at $239.99 with $6 off. It does not come with these beautiful lights. I did purchase these lights separately from Amazon at $19.99 priced. It was a recommendation from a good friend. She also had purchased these, so the reason why I purchased it. I have had absolutely no problem. The lighting is amazing. It has a nice press on button. You just click it, boop, off, there it goes. And then one more time, boop, there you go, on. And the lighting, like I said, is amazing. I sit here and do my makeup. What we have here is a nice jewelry box that was a gift to me from my boyfriend. At the time, I was a flight attendant, hence the plane engraved on the box. And then we have two Juicy Couture items. One is a jewelry box that I use for watches, and the other is perfume. This here is something that I purchased from the dollar store as a makeup brush holder. The container itself, the little grid thing at the bottom, I purchased from the dollar store, as well as the marbles inside. Here we have the drawers to the desk. There's 5 drawers, 1 long one, and then 4 on the side, each with different depths, as you can see. I think the bottom drawer is my favorite. Then we're going to open up this long drawer and show you how I organize this. This organizer I created as a DIY myself. I purchased foam board. I purchased a hot glue gun. The fabric I purchased from Walmart, and it's actually bedding sheets. At the time, I did purchase this and create this during coronavirus pandemic, and no store was open for me to purchase fabric. So the next best thing was to use bedding sheets, and here we are. Both the red and the Cheeto was the same company from Walmart. And I put it all together, measurements and all. This drawer itself, I also did the bottom of the drawer only. Same concept, the sheet, hot glue gun, and a foam board, and put it at the bottom. The depth of the drawer itself, you'll see I'm going to grab a lip gloss from NYX and show you how deep this is. And it's not very accurate because I also put the foamer at the bottom, but it wasn't thick enough for me to stand the lip gloss up, so that's why they're down. This next drawer is pretty deep itself. I have my foundations in here. I don't know why this is here. Let's get this out of here. Boop, cool. This is another acrylic organizer that I purchased from Amazon. Very low priced. I think it was somewhere around the price of $7, something like that. But I'll also put that description in the description box below. This drawer is kind of a mess. I have to figure something out better. But this is just my palette drawer. And then the bottom drawer, like I said, is my favorite drawer. It is the deepest of them all. Like this, literally, I have this cocoa butter bottle from Queen Helen. It is the 32-ounce bottle. So you can see how tall that, if you can see how tall that bottle is, and it goes into the drawer and literally have no problem as far as height is concerned. So there you have it. This is the vanity table purchased from Wayfair.com. Like I get, once again, it is called the Corrado Vanity With Mirror in the color white, and the lights are sold separately that I purchased myself. Thanks for coming. Watch, like, and subscribe.